Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Okay, we continue with learning outcome 8.3 and 8.4. Okay, now we proceed with question number 12. Okay, from the tutorial question. Okay, actually question number 12 ni dia involve 8.1, 8.3 and 8.4. Okay, so soalan dia, electric motor exert a constant torque of 10 Newton meter. Then with a moment of initial 2 kg meter square. If the flywheel start to rotate from rest, find the angular acceleration of the flywheel. Okay, jadi untuk cari ni kita boleh gunakan persamaan bagi torque equals to I alpha. Okay, so then alpha equals to torque over I. Okay, torque dah diberi 10 Newton meter. Moment initial is 2. So kita akan dapat 5 radian per second square. Okay, then B, angular velocity of the flywheel after 8 second. Okay, ini kita boleh gunakan, ini dalam learning outcome 8.1, which is omega equals to omega naught plus alpha t, sebab kita dah tahu nilai alpha. Dan nilai omega tu kita dah tahu sebab dia kata the flywheel start to rotate from rest. Okay, now 0 plus alpha is 5, t equals to 8. So dapat 40 radian per second. Okay, bagi C, number of rotation the flywheel made in 8 second. Okay, kita boleh gunakan 8.1 juga learning outcome. Theta equals to omega naught t plus half alpha t square. So omega naught is 0 times 8 second plus half alpha is 5, t is 8. So kita dapat 160 radian. Okay. Dan number of rotation normally kita akan mention sebagai unit revolution. So kita perlu tukarkan radian kepada revolution. So kita kena bahagi dengan 2 pi. So bahagi dengan 2 pi, kita akan dapat the answer is 25.6 revolution. Okay, untuk D, angular momentum of the flywheel at the end of this time. Okay, to get the answer, kita boleh gunakan ni L equals to I omega. Okay, so dia relate dengan 8.4 pula ini. Okay, jadi sekarang substitute the values. So kita akan dapat the angular momentum is 80 kilogram meter square per second. Okay, that's all for question number 12. Thank you.